Welcome student, this is your civics class 7 chapter 3 part 5. As you saw above, the people in power like the chief minister and the minister have to take actions. They do so through various departments like the police work department, the agriculture department, the health department, the education department, and so on. They also have to answer questions that are asked in the legislative assembly and convince people asking the questions that proper steps are being taken. At the same time, newspaper and the media widely discussed the issue and the government had to respond, for example by holding the press conference. The government can also decide to make laws for the state regarding sanitation and health facilities. For example, it may make it compulsory for municipal corporations to ensure that there are adequate toilets in every urban area. It may also ensure that a health worker is appointed in every village. This act of making laws on certain issues is done in legislative assembly of each state. The various government departments then implement these laws. Laws for the entire country are made in the parliament. You will read more about the parliament next year. In a democracy, it is people who elect their representative as members of the legislative assembly and MLAs, and thus it is the people who have the main authority. The ruling party members then form the government and some members are appointed ministers. These ministers are in charge of various departments of the government such as health in above example. Whatever work is done by these departments has to be approved by the members of legislative assembly. जैसा आपने ऊपर देखा, वे लोग जो सत्ता में हैं जैसे मुख्यमंत्री और स्वास्थ्य मंत्री, उन्हें समस्याओं पर कार्रवाई करनी होती है। वे यह कार्य विभिन्न विभागों द्वारा करवाते हैं जैसे लोक निर्माण विभाग, कृषि विभाग, स्वास्थ्य विभाग, शिक्षा विभाग आदि। उन्हें विधानसभा में उठाए गए प्रश्नों का भी उत्तर देना होता है और प्रश्न करने वाले लोगों को आश्वस्त करना होता है कि उचित कदम उठाए जा रहे हैं। इसके साथ साथ समाचार पत्र व अन्य माध्यमों से में भी इन विषयों पर चर्चा होती है जिसका उत्तर सरकार को देना होता है, जैसे प्रेस वार्ता आयोजित करना। सरकार सफाई और स्वास्थ्य सेवाओं के लिए नए कानून बनाने का निर्णय ले सकती है। उदाहरण के लिए वह कानून बनाकर हर नगर निगम के लिए यह अनिवार्य कर सकती है कि शहरी क्षेत्र से पर्याप्त शौचालयों की व्यवस्था हो। यह भी सुनिश्चित किया जा सकता है कि हर ग्राम में एक स्वास्थ्य कर्मी भी नियुक्त हो। किसी विषय पर कानून बनाने का यह कार्य प्रत्येक राज्य की विधानसभा द्वारा किया जाता है। इसके पश्चात विभिन्न शासकीय विभाग इन कानूनों का कार्यान्वयन करते हैं। पूरे देश के लिए कानून संसद में बनाए जाते हैं। संसद के बारे में आप अगले वर्ष पढ़ेंगे। लोकतंत्र में विधायकों एमएलए के रूप में जनता अपने प्रतिनिधि चुनती है और इस तरह शासन मुख्यतः जनता का ही होता है। फिर सत्ता पक्ष के सदस्य सरकार बनाते हैं और कुछ सदस्यों को मंत्री बनाया जाता है। ये मंत्री सरकार के विभिन्न विभागों के प्रभारी होते हैं। जैसे ऊपर दिए गए उदाहरण में स्वास्थ्य विभाग, इन विभागों द्वारा जो भी कार्य किया जाता है उसे विधायक द्वारा अनुमोदित या स्वीकृत कराया जाता है। This is the end of this chapter and we will continue the question answer of this chapter. Question number 1. Use the terms constituency and represent to explain who an MLA is and how is the person elected. Solution. Every state in India is divided into different constituencies on the basis of population. From his constituency, the people elect one representative who then becomes a member of legislative assembly. An MLA is elected through a general election. She may be a member of recognized political party or can also be an independent candidate. One who gets the maximum votes becomes the MLA of that constituencies. Question number 2. How did some MLAs become minister? Explain. Solution: a political party whose MLA have won more than half the number of constituency in a state can be said to be in a majority. The political party that has the majority is called a ruling party that forms the government. After the general elections, the MLA belonging to the ruling party elected their leader, who becomes the chief minister. The chief minister then constitutes a cabinet by selecting others members from this party as minister. Question number 3. Why should decision taken by the chief minister and other minister be debated in legislative assembly? Solution: decision taken by the chief minister and other minister should be debated in legislative assembly to ensure that the decision being taken is the best interest of the people at large. It is also discussed whether this decision is urgent or not, what would be the subsequent cost of implementing it, and which such decision earn the objection of any particular community. Question number 4. What was the problem in Patalpuram? What discussions actions were taken by the following? Fill in the table. Solution: public meeting condemned the government and carried out protests to put forth their demand. Legislative Assembly discussed the issue and inquiry the government about the step taken to fix that issue. Press conference: the health minister explained the action plan initiated by government. Chief minister visited the village of Patalpuram, promised funds for the measures suggested by the health minister, and clarified that the problem of garbage would be looked into. Question number 5. What is the difference between the work that MLAs do in the assembly and the work done by the government department? Solution: the difference between the work that the MLA do in the assembly and the work done by the government is that MLAs raise and debate issues and decisions in the assembly, whereas the government departments implement the decisions made by the legislative assembly. This is the end of this chapter, and your today's homework is write down the question answer in your fair copy and learn the question answer. If you have any doubt, please let us know. We will try to clear your doubts in another video. अगर आपको कोई संदेह है तो कृपया करके हमें बताइए। हम अगले वीडियो में आपके संदेह को दूर करने का प्रयास करेंगे।